Hello, I am Cindy Chen. Today, I would like to show you my listing of Bode 1 Drive here in Hollywood Hills. First, when you come up, you will see this long private driveway and have this spacious runabout. And then you can see that there's 4 outdoor parking spots and also have the 3-car garage. And all this sits on the 2 acres of land, and the houses alone sits on the 1 acre of land, and then with a beautiful 360-degree of views. Now, I would like to take you inside of this magnificent masterpiece. It's designed by the celebrity designer and architect, Mike Mueller. Now, come with me. I'm here today with the celebrity designer and architect, Mike Mueller. I would like to interview him very quick just to tell us what's the best part that he's most proud of about Bode 1 Drive.
Hi Cindy, welcome to Bode 1. The best part of this house is obviously the site it sits on and the view of Hollywood and Los Angeles. I mean, this is an engineering dream to be able to build on a site like this. So this is the most thrilling property I've ever built on.
I can imagine, because it's on the hillside, it's a challenge to build it.
Very much a challenge, but to get these kind of views and to feel like you're perched up like a bird in a tree, this is what it takes.
Absolutely, and I mean, this did the best in the Hollywood Hills, the hilltop, right?
Yes, it's a crazy site site that I've built on, and I'm very proud of it. So I'm glad you're here for it.
You should be.
Thank you.
I'm so proud of you. As we enter the house, we'll be first greeted by the formal living room with a spectacular city view. With well-equipped bar here, you can easily entertain dozens of guests. Cocktail for anyone? Now I'm at the entertainment area. It is designed to entertain your guests with this amazing view as well as right across from the bar. As you can see, I'm now at the formal dining room. It has a wine cellar can bottle 500 bottles of wine, and also you and your guest will enjoy this amazing view from this room. With the 2 giant oversized islands here in the kitchen, you have plenty of space to cook for your family. At the comfortable family room, you can enjoy some high-quality family time with your family. This is one of my favorite spots in the house, the gym. Now that I've spent a lot of time here, it's definitely because I enjoy the view. Now we are at the downstairs family room. Besides the amazing downtown Los Angeles city view, you can also see this space has this amazing lighting fixture. It's completely custom designed and built by the celebrity designer and architect, Mueller. The highlight of this house is the master bedroom. It has the warm fireplace and it has the beautiful city lights behind me. What more can you ask for? There's so many beautiful homes out there, but it's very, very rare for you to find a home with a two-story closet. This is absolutely, truly one of a kind, amazing home.